Hola niños y niñas, how are you today?
Great!
I'm so glad to hear that. Today we have a special treat. Literally, we're going to enjoy my favorite dessert, cupcakes.
Hola niños and niñas, guess what time it is?
It's toy time with Dia!
Another fun day to learn and play and use your imagination.
It's toy time with Dia!
Let's start the show. Today we're gonna learn 3 ways how to enjoy a cupcake. 1, 2, 3. First, the sandwich method. Hold the bottom and cupcake top and split it apart like so. Then, turn the cupcake top face down onto the cupcake bottom. And now you have your cupcake sandwich. Remember, always clean your hands. Number 2. The mini birthday cake method. Pull the bottom cupcake off and set aside for later. Now, with the help of a grown-up, use a plastic knife and divide in 8 equal parts. Now you can pretend you are a gentle giant and devour it piece by piece. And number 3, my favorite method, split the cupcake in half. And give it to a friend, the sharing method. Now we are ready to share. What are we going to drink? Milk! Where does milk come from? Do you guys want to know?
Yes!
Let's learn together.
The traditional form of milk is cow's milk. This one comes from cows. What do cows eat? A cow eats grass, corn, hay, or grain, and drinks water to help her make milk. Cows must drink 8 gallons of water to produce 1 gallon of milk.
A farmer or a machine takes the milk from the cow.
A tanker comes to the farm to collect the milk. A tanker takes the milk to the dairy. At the dairy, they heat up the milk and then cool it down quickly. This process kills any germs. Lastly, they put the milk into the glass, plastic bottles, or cartons. Then they take the milk to the shop. There are many different types of milk, such as almond milk, which comes from a nut, soy milk derived from soybeans, rice milk derived from rice mixed with water, oat milk, a blend of cooked oats and water, coconut milk made from blending the flesh of a coconut with water, and goat milk, which comes from a goat.
What is your favorite milk?
No matter what kind of milk are you drinking, isn't it delicious?
Yes!
Everything always tastes better when you share. So remember, always share with your friends and family. Look out for more videos and join me in Snack Time, where we explore good food. See you next time!